Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about various relational operators in SQL language, and I am also going to explain about how these operators will be used in the conditions that we specify during the like select command as well as update command or delete command, like data manipulation commands. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here for the relational operators I have mentioned here in the comment. So some of the relational operators here are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, and it is equal to and not equal to. So these are the main relational operators that we have in the SQL. So I would like to explain how it works and all. We already previously seen in while specifying some of the conditions for equal to and all. Now I want to again show you how it works and all. So here basically we retrieving using a star command without specifying any where clause here. That means without specifying any condition here, and I am running it to know the data present in the table. So here the sample underscore table contains 3 columns, and in the first column we have a values like 1 2 3, and for the second column we have values like Rakesh, Ganesh, and then Mahesh, and for the third column named column 3 having a values all are 6. Now what I want to do is I want to specify a condition, I want to use the condition by specifying the equal to operator. So what I want to do is select star from sample underscore table where column 1 equals to 3, and I want to specify, I want to retrieve the only the records where column 1 is equal to 3. So I am running it. So if you observe that only the one record is what we get in the output, that is what column 1 is equal to 3. Suppose if you have multiple records for the column 3, then it will get the multiple records in the output as well. And suppose if you specify not equal to here, column 1 is not equal to 3, that means except the column 1 value equal to 3, it will print all the, it will retrieve the output as all the records that is not the column 1 value as 3. So I am running it. If you observe that we have 1 to 3 in the main table, but here we specified as column 1 is not equal to 3. In the output, if you observe that here the column 1 value is not equal to 3 here, so that is how it will print. And similarly you can also do the greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Suppose if you specify less than or equal to 3, less than 3, then what it specifies is, so select star from sample table where column 1 is less than 3. So what it means is column 1 is less than 3 means 1 and 2, right? So I am running it again. So this is the same output that we get. So if I specify less than or equal to, then it specify all the records, because we have only 3 records in the main table. So if I specify less than or equal to 3, then it will equal to 3, as well as less than 3 means 1 and 2 will also get in the output. Similarly, suppose if I want to change a column, I can also make the string comparisons also here, where call2 is equal to Ganesh. If call2 is equal to Ganesh, then it only print the data output. So this is how it will print. Call2 is equal to Ganesh, that means it only prints that particular data. Suppose if I want to print column 1 is greater than 1, that means it will print all the records that he is having column 1 value as greater than 1. So if I run it, so only the column 1 value 2 and 3 are present in the output. So this is how you can make a conditions here. So how to make a, and in this video we have discussed about how to do a equal to operator, how less than and greater than operators will work, as well as less than equal to and greater than equal to, and we also seen about the not equal to. And these are all about I have explained only using the one specific condition. So in the next coming videos, while discussing with the logical operators, I am going to explain you about how to how to do multiple conditions, how to check for the multiple conditions using a logical operators and all. Without that's all for this video guys about the relational operators. Thank you for watching.